Tammy Slaton has never been one to hold back her feelings, and this time, she's directing her fury straight at her sister Amy. The latest explosive development in the 1000 LB Sisters saga has fans reeling after Tammy called out Amy for what she believes is a pattern of excuses, deflection, and denial surrounding her recent legal troubles. In a brutally honest statement, Tammy reportedly told close friends and producers, "Being arrested is not independent. That's not growth, that's just chaos." And with those words, the gloves are off. As news broke earlier this month about Amy's involvement in a legal situation that includes an alleged arrest tied to substance-related issues, many fans wondered how her tight-knit family would respond. While Amanda and Mishti kept relatively quiet and offered carefully worded support, Tammy took a different path, one paved with tough love and raw truth. According to insiders close to the Slaton family and production sources from TLC, Tammy has been growing increasingly frustrated behind the scenes. It's what she calls Amy's pattern of playing victim whenever things go wrong. Tammy has been through hell, says one source. She nearly died, she worked harder than anyone thought possible to get her life back, and she expected Amy to learn something from that journey. But instead, she sees Amy going backward, blaming others, and hiding behind excuses. Amy's arrest stunned her fanbase and put her squeaky clean comeback narrative into question. Just months earlier, she had been sharing joyful clips on social media, celebrating her new relationship with boyfriend B. Ryan and enjoying life as a single mom post-divorce. But behind those filtered TikToks and Instagram selfies, there were storm clouds forming. Reports started to circulate of erratic behavior, cancelled shoots, and missed obligations. When the arrest report came to light, the truth became unavoidable. And for Tammy, it was the last straw. In a heated discussion caught partially on camera, Tammy confronted Amy at home, asking her why she wasn't taking responsibility. According to those present during filming, Tammy reportedly asked, "Do you think I was proud to be in rehab? Do you think I like being called out for my choices? I owned it. I changed. What are you doing?" That confrontation has sparked one of the most dramatic rifts the show has ever seen. And for a series already known for explosive sibling fights, that's saying something. But Tammy's frustration runs deeper than just a momentary lapse. She feels betrayed. As someone who has clawed her way back from the brink of death, she believes Amy should be taking her second chance more seriously. She wanted freedom so bad, freedom from Michael, freedom to make her own choices. But that doesn't mean freedom to make stupid ones, Tammy allegedly told production. This ain't independence, it's recklessness. Social media fans have been quick to take sides, with hashtags like #TeamToMe and #JusticeForAmy popping up across platforms. Some fans feel Tammy is being harsh, given Amy's recent emotional struggles and the pressure of being in the spotlight. But others argue that Tammy is simply doing what a real sister should, calling her sibling out and pushing for growth. "Tammy is not being mean," one fan wrote on Reddit. "She's being real. Amy can't hide behind her tears forever." Even TLC producers, known for staying neutral, have reportedly struggled to mediate the fallout. One show insider revealed that upcoming episodes may be so raw and intense that editing has been a challenge. "It's not just a fight, it's a breaking point," the source said. This may be the moment where fans finally see the real Tammy, not the villain she's often painted to be. Amy, for her part, has remained mostly silent publicly. She's posted vague inspirational quotes and old photos with her boys, but has not directly addressed her arrest or Tammy's comments. Privately, sources say she's feeling humiliated and let down by the way things have unfolded. Amy's embarrassed, says one insider. She didn't expect Tammy to go in so hard. She thought her sister would understand what it's like to fall apart. But Tammy reportedly told producers that falling apart doesn't mean staying broken. You fall, you get up, you fix it, you don't keep falling and blaming everyone else. The Slaton sisters' story has always been one of love, dysfunction, and resilience. From their earliest YouTube videos to their TLC fame, they've brought fans into their world with unfiltered honesty. But fame hasn't come without cost. Over the years, viewers have seen the pressure mount, from weight loss goals to relationship breakdowns, from hospital visits to social media bullying. Through it all, the sisters have leaned on each other. But this latest scandal threatens to drive a wedge that may not be easily repaired. As the legal case against Amy unfolds, fans are left wondering what this means for the future of the show and the family. Will Tammy and Amy reconcile, or is this the fight that ends it all? Some insiders believe this may be the beginning of a darker, more grown-up chapter in the 1000 LB Sisters saga, one where real consequences replace reality TV drama. We used to film scenes about food and family games, said one former crew member. Now we are dealing with legal teams, rehab counselors, and court dates. It's gotten real, too real. Yet, in the midst of all this turmoil, one thing is clear: Tammy has found her voice. Once seen as the more chaotic sister, she's now emerging as someone who demands accountability, not just for herself, but for everyone around her. Her recent TikToks and cameos have even taken on a more serious tone, with fans praising her transformation not just physically, but emotionally. Tammy's turning into the tough sister, one fan wrote. She's been through the fire, and now she's done taking BS. Still, even her harshest critics admit that Tammy's anger comes from a place of deep hurt. She's watched her sister spiral, and while she may express it with bluntness, it's clear she cares. If I didn't love her, Tammy reportedly told her producer, I wouldn't be this mad. I want better for her. I want her to wake up. Whether Amy hears that message, or sees it as yet another attack, remains to be seen. But one thing is certain, this isn't the last we'll hear of the Slayton sisters drama. In the world of 1000 LB Sisters, redemption is never simple, and every tear comes with a lesson. For now, fans wait with bated breath for the next explosive episode. Will Tammy and Amy sit down and hash things out? Or has the damage gone too deep? Only time will tell. But for Tammy, the message is loud and clear. No more excuses, no more blame, and no more hiding. Being arrested, she said again in her last private confessional, doesn't mean you are living your truth. It means you need to change your story. And in the world of reality TV, that's a plot twist nobody saw coming. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.